New parents, get ready. Introducing the Frida Baby Ultimate Baby Kit, the ultimate registry must-have. This isn't just another baby gift set. It's a comprehensive collection of 10 essential products designed to tackle those newborn and infant challenges head-on. Imagine easily clearing stuffy noses with the Nose Frida Snot Sucker, safely administering medicine with the Frida AccuDose Pacifier, and instantly soothing colic with the innovative Windy Gas Passer. Plus, this kit includes a super safe nail clipper, a soothing derma brush, and adorable teething toys. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to calm, happy baby moments. This thoughtfully curated kit offers $118 worth of must-have products, saving you time and money while giving you peace of mind. Don't just take our word for it. See for yourself. Visit our product page now and prepare for the most rewarding and slightly less stressful journey of parenthood. Click here to learn more.